The building's windows suddenly sealed shut. 60 employees found themselves trapped inside. I figured it was just an evacuation drill, but a stranger's voice suddenly blared over the intercom. He demanded we kill 2 colleagues within 20 minutes. If we didn't follow through, 30 of us would be executed. Panic swept through the group in an instant. I reached for my phone to call the police, but there was no signal at all. The others tried to flee the building, but a steel plate rose up in a flash, locking the door tight. As the final plate clicked into place, we were completely isolated from the outside world. Later, we gathered together to figure out how to escape. A co-worker suggested using a blowtorch to burn through the steel, but after half an hour of flames, the plate showed not even a mark. With no other options, we climbed to the roof, shouting for help to the security guard below, but he just calmly sipped his coffee. We assumed he hadn't noticed us. So we threw together a rescue banner, hoping to grab his attention. Instead, a woman's head exploded in an instant. At the same time, 4 people in the lobby were killed. We thought it was gunfire, so everyone rushed to find cover. But after I checked the bodies, they hadn't been shot. Their heads had detonated from the inside. It turned out that when we joined the company, trackers had been implanted in our brains to survive. I pulled out a small knife and prepared to dig the tracker out. That is when the intercom crackled to life again. He warned me to stop immediately, or he'd trigger the bomb right then. With no choice, I had to stand down. But something far worse happened next. This time, he ordered us to kill 30 people in the building within 2 hours. If we broke the rules, he'd slaughter 50 of us. Soon, some desperate to stay alive began snatching up any lethal weapons in sight. Lone even headed to the armory to grab more guns. If they succeeded, it would spark a full-on massacre.